Hey guys, what is it? Today I'm showing you how to make your 808 bump. It's a pretty simple answer, really. It's just a one-word answer, actually. Do you know what it is? Kicks. So this is a track by Spike Right named Check It Out. Link to check it out is down in the description. Alright, so when they sent this track to me, the 808 was not quite bumping. And that's because the 808 did not have a kick over it. Anytime you have an 808, there should be a kick hitting at the beginning of it. Just gives it a lot more punch. There's a little bit more to it than that, though. This is how it was before. And then with the kicks. A good way to make them work together well is to sidechain compress it. I'm just going to do it with Ableton today. So I'm going to put a compressor on the 808. Then I'm going to click this little arrow here. It'll open it up. Then you enable the sidechain. Then you're going to pick your kick for the input. And then I'm going to drag down the threshold. And then I'm going to turn on the look ahead, speed up how fast it reacts. And then I'm just going to play with the attack release until it sounds transparent but still cuts through. I'm going to mute some of the other elements to make it easier to hear. Sounds like it's a little too soon. I'll say somewhere around there is alright. Now I can bring in the other instruments. Okay, now I'm going to play the settings a little more, get it sounding a little more natural. Alright, so I turn down the ratio a little bit. You can also play with the dry wet knob a little here. If you find the effect is too strong and you want to dial it back. There we go. And now it's much more punchy than before. Now the biggest reason we want to do the side chaining trick is when we master it, we'll have much more headroom in the low end. Whereas if the kick and the bass are stacking up, it'll trigger the compressor much easier. That's it for this video. That was how to make a much more punchy 808. Shout out to my patrons, you guys are awesome. You're now listening to Kick Clouds. The link to check out his music is down in the description.
Go subscribe to Weaver Beats, because if you don't subscribe to Weaver Beats, I will slap your mama!